Hey YouTube, and welcome to Silent Code Dev. So welcome to day 52 of becoming a front-end developer from zero. So yeah guys, we're gonna continue. Today I'm not gonna be doing so much code because I'm just completely exhausted today. I'm gonna get up 3 a.m. which is in a few hours, and then I'm gonna go back to work. So today's not the day. But I'm still showing up, and I'm still going to do something because I have to show up. Before I start, I just want to say that I got rejected. I had applied for a job, IT job, and I received my rejection letter today. So yeah, like I know that I shouldn't take it personal, but it's like it's always like it hits, when you get rejected. It's like it just hits, you know what I mean? So yeah, I'm feeling a bit down, and I feel a bit down today. I'm not gonna lie. I feel like just giving up. Yeah. So, but I know that what I feel because I knew I was gonna feel like this, right? So today, but it's okay, guys. Today, I also try to show you guys. So I have a friend that has a laptop, and he isn't able to turn on the laptop because the hard drive is corrupted. So I've tried to I bought like a SAT USB SAT adapter to connect to the hard drive and try to retrieve his files there, but the hard drive is corrupted. So I'm trying to restore the file. So that also takes time. So yeah. But yeah, guys, we're gonna continue. I'm just gonna do a little bit today. I'm gonna try to fix the UI bit. I'm not gonna do so much code because I just don't have time. So it's gonna be a very short video. And let's see, this is gonna be 36. So let's see, H1. Yeah, and then we wanted to, because it needs to be a line there. So yeah, it needs to be on the left. So, but is that on the designs? Yeah. So MD and up. So we're gonna say okay. Seems like it kind of worked, but it's not alignment with the UIY. Oh, it is, but Yeah, I mean, it's yeah, I think it's because it's not like there's like space here, right? Or I might just completely retarded. Let me see. All right, we're just gonna keep it like that, guys. I don't care. But I think that this should be, yeah, because there's space here, right? Mm, we can do this, right? If there's nothing, we can say that one, because right now there's nothing, right? So we can say else year. That we need to say why is this not working? Because we have total. So where's total coming from? It's coming from here. So yeah, we need to put this. Yeah, this is kind of wrong. So we need to. It needs to be there. But we need to hide the entire div here. Needs to be hidden, and we need to get the total container. And yeah, so we need to do this. So else if item no, that's not what we do. Yeah, if your cart query item so we're checking if this item is here, right? If that's true, if it's true, if item does not exist, which is true, why is this not working, man? Yeah, because here we are adding, so we also need to remove So we need to do something here, right? And we need to remove okay guys, I'm not able to code today, so I have Obsidian, which is I'm gonna start taking notes of the things I do. So we can just delete that one. So I'm going to rename this, and we're gonna say product list. We're gonna say, so we need to when clicking item needs to be removed, right? And I think we can get that through, I don't know, we also need to items needs to have values reflected. When I say values, I mean the amount, the price, check out UL needs fixing. And that's pretty much it, guys. We don't really have that much. It's just to make this work. So I want to do everything in next video because I need to study. I just haven't had time, guys. The UL works, you know, it's just like, of course it's a little bit not perfect. And also we also have this one. So I could have, but you know, because I'm going through stuff, I don't want to make excuses, but it's like I just don't have time, man. I don't have time to code. So this is kind of working, but as you guys can see, it's not really. Let me see if it's, yeah. So this needs to, because now that I've built the entire project, I'm like, okay, this needs to cover the entire thing, you know. But and also we need to have inset inset 0. There we go. And also, oh, look at that, guys. It looks so much better. Yeah, so on the large screen we want it to go, so we want it to be hidden, right? So when we hit this big screen, it's hidden. Okay. Alright guys, that's it. Very short video, but I hope you guys enjoyed that. I'm just tired and I don't have time, so, but I still try to show up. I'm gonna push my code because it's gonna be a new day soon. So npm or git add git commit dates git push. So it's not really, like, if I'm gonna be honest with you guys, it's not a complicated project if you know JavaScript. But if you don't know JavaScript, of course, right? Because it's like, if you know what to do, you just think, and you're like, okay, you start with the small things, and then you're gonna end up having a big code, right? But this is not really complicated like that. It is hard, but it's like, if you think, it's like, it makes sense, right? We also have to fix this, so I'm just gonna say empty2, something like that. Yeah, it looks a bit better. All right, guys, that's it. Thank you for watching, and peace.